Welcome back to the Elephant's Guardian YouTube space. Let's have start today's session. Up to now, you can have see the Galigamuwa Elephant railway crossing area. Now you can have see there the calm and quiet situation, but besides that, there are some tragical story with that. Over the 30 elephants are dead over here to some railway accident, and also only 3 elephants dead over here. When the night time situation become serious, train also moving with some top speed. It should be to carry some oil storage, some heavy storage, and with that it could not be to the control its speed with easy. Result is become tragical one with the night time. Innocent nature resources did sacrifice their life to the train. Without proper light system beside the railway track, and also the without digital indicating system inside the train, and flashing light off on the train, without situation become tragical. The elephant did sacrifice their innocent life to the train. Responsibility also there to the wildlife department and wildlife minister, forest department and forest minister, but they are also annually they are the weight down with sleep without have to do something to the control this tragical situation. Everyone something some incident did happen, everyone did talking about that and seeking about that. After that everything did to the forgotten that, and again something did happen, and same thing happened to that again. Everything did forgotten again, and innocent elephant did to the sacrifice their life to train. And also the around this area there are some cultivating area to have to the control to their harvesting to wild animal. They did do something especially. They did use the electric fence and some poisons foods, and also the some preliminary explosive like the takapatas to same man-made activities. Over the 300 elephant did annually. Sri Lanka there are the 6,000 elephant, and annually did 300 elephant. Situation become serious, and we lost our nature resources in the future, and we should be to do something. We have to protect themselves also immediately. I would like to have the invite you all to have to protect themselves. Thank you very much.